Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to show FPS Steam games. We are going to open our game in Steam. When we are there, press the Shift plus Tab keys. After this, click on Settings. After that, in the in-game section, click on the in-game FPS counter drop-down menu. There, you can select the location where you will see the FPS in the Steam game. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.